Well, fixing this footbridge is key to a few different projects I have to complete on my property. We'll take a closer look. So, this footbridge was fairly new, probably no more than a few years old, when we bought the property back in the year 2000. Why they built it right into the banks of the stream there, I don't know. So what's happening is, you can see here that the foundation for this bridge is being washed out, and it's dropping down into the stream. So this bridge was flush with the ground at one point, and it's down over on this end, down probably about a foot. So what I need to do is get underneath and repair it. See this log right under the bridge? So that is preventing everything from flowing through. So job number one is to get rid of this log. And then I've got more stuff jammed under over here, right in there. Got a whole big nest stuff backed up in there under the bridge. That's right by the bank. Okay, so I've got that pretty well cleared out. This end, there's all the weeds and stuff in the way here, but this side of the bridge looks pretty solid. It's still set on some stone, looks pretty solid. I think what I need to do is just look at the other side. You can see here that it's right down in the water. It should look like that, but it's right down in the water. So I need to get on the other side, see what's going on over there. So here's a kind of a long-range view. You can see right here where the bank is washed out. That bank should go straight across underneath there, and all that part of the bridge should be sitting on that bank and on stones. Hard to see, it's kind of dark, but that's all washed out right there. We've got more debris in the way here, so I'll get all that out and then I'll bring you back. So I've got that area cleaned out pretty good. We'll take a look at that, but first we'll look at the other end here, and this is pretty solid. Looks like the bank's washed out a little bit right there, but everything's still solid underneath, still setting on the dirt and some stones, I believe, under there. So that end is okay. That end over there, that side might have settled a little bit. I'll take a look at that later. All right, well, here is plan A on how to lift the bridge. So my thought was to use the backhoe to lift the bridge. But the problem was that there wasn't enough travel in the backhoe. So I couldn't lift the bridge high enough with the backhoe. You'll see that coming up here in a couple of seconds. So I reverted to plan B. I set the bridge back down, and I used the front end loader to lift the bridge. But before I did that, I went and got some stones in a pile that I have, a big pile of stones. Those are from my barn restoration. So I went and got the stones, brought those over, and switched to plan B. So those are the stones that I picked out and unloaded them, and since I have the bucket, the front end loader, facing that way, I'm just going to try to lift that bridge
with the loader. That might work. That's going to give me plenty of lift. So I think that'll work. First thing I'll do though is I'll lift that bridge up, look underneath, and figure out the best way to place the stones under the bridge. So that's next. So that's lifted up a little more than level at this end, which is what I want. So then I can slide the stones underneath. I don't want it up too high. So it's probably, I don't know, half an inch, maybe an inch higher than it should be. All right, well, I'm getting there. So I got, well, this is up about, an inch higher than it needs to be. And I was ready to set it down, but guess what? That strap is right in the way. So what I need to do is I just set this little stone here temporarily. I want to drop the deck down onto that stone. Hopefully it'll hold. Then I can loosen up the strap and move it down further that way, out of the way. And then set the deck down on the stones here. I'm not thrilled with that, but I want to see how it works. And then if it's okay, then I might have to do a little bit of work here. I don't like that little shim. Then I'm going to backfill with some other stone around in here. Throw some stone down in there, and then maybe some dirt on top of that. All right, so I've got to get rid of that strap, move that out of the way, and I'll bring you back. All right, well, I took a little bit of a break. Went in, got something to eat, and did a couple of things. So came back out and finished this up. Well, it's not finished, but so I've got some stones under there to support the bridge. Some there, some under there. That one I'm not thrilled about, but I'll work on that a little bit more. This is enough for today. So I am about a half a bubble off. Well, I'm not. The bridge is. About a half a bubble off. So that's about an inch over the width of the bridge. So it's not perfect, but I'll go with it. As I messed around with these stones trying to get the perfect height, and I just couldn't get it exact. So I'll go with that. So there's more to do. I've got to backfill. I've got to put some more stones in. So we'll continue this in the next video. All right. Thanks for watching. And we'll have part 2 soon.